Want to know how to remove SFX in Game of Thrones? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Game of Thrones game. So once you've done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, on the bottom left side, you should be seeing this gear icon right here. This is the settings. So you can just simply select it. Now once you have selected settings, here you should be provided with various options, and on the leftmost side right below video you should be seeing audio right here. Just simply select it. Now once you have selected audio, here you should be seeing various volumes right here. So right here you should be seeing SFX in the middle. That should be right above voice volume. Just simply check it to mute it right here. So this is how you can easily turn it off. Next method is you can just simply slide the slider all the way to the left side on PC 0%, and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.